Okay kids, let's go in. I have to go to office. Take care. Oh, I didn't notice that. My car is not clean.
When you have the Amway car wash, you don't have to worry because it contains biodegradable surfactant which loosens surface dirt. It does not leave any spots, streaks or film behind. Convenient to use on hubcaps, tires, bumpers and rubber beadings. Your car will always give you a cleaner smile and it provides 100 washes per pack of 500 ml. Amway Car Wash. Clean your car in minutes and you are all set for the day.